The sets A, which has the members 2, 3, and B, which has the members 2, 4, are subsets of the universal set U with members 1, 2, 3, 4. Find A complement union B complement, where A complement and B complement are the complements of A and B respectively. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. Set A has the members 2, 3, and set B has the members 2, 4. And they are subsets of the universal set U with members 1, 2, 3, 4. The question wants us to find the members of A complement union B complement. So we will find the members of A complement, and then we will find the members of B complement. Then we will put them together to get A complement union B complement. The members of A complement will be the members in the universal set that are not in set A. The members in set A are 2, 3. The members in the universal set are 1, 2, 3, 4. The members in the universal set that are not in set A are 1 and 4. So it means that the members in A complement will be 1 and 4. In the same way, the members in B complement will be the members in the universal set that are not in set B. The members in set B are 2 and 4. The members in the universal set are 1, 2, 3, 4. The members in the universal set that are not in set B are 1 and 3. So the members of B complement are 1 and 3. We now have A complement and B complement. To get their union, we will put the members together. We have 1, 4 here and 1, 3. So A complement union B complement will be equal to 1, 3, 4. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is A.